Let's get to meteorologist Alison Pryor. The snow's melted in a lot of places, but could there be more on the way? That's the big question.
It is. So certainly everybody's going to be seeing some heavy rainfall across the area tonight, but we will have a chance for a little bit of wintry mix too. It won't be anything like the snow event on Sunday. Still getting some pictures in from folks from that. This was a sunrise shot from yesterday morning from Kristen Myers-McCamus in Cleveland, showing some valley fog, that snow still in the ground, of course that orange glow from the sunrise. Now this snow across much of the area is completely gone. We had a lot of snow melt yesterday with the sun shining. You can see that was still on the ground yesterday morning, and this great shot here with the Cardinal. And if there was anything residual this morning, temperatures are even warmer now. So that's going to finish kind of disappearing. And then, of course, we're going to be dealing with some rain later on for the day today. So we're well above freezing at this point here in Chattanooga, 53 degrees. We are dealing with mostly cloudy skies as we head through the afternoon hours. Remember, a little bit greater cloud cover here to the north of Chattanooga, a little bit more sunshine and blue sky the further to the south you are. But regardless, most locations getting into the 50s today. And even this evening time, temperatures not dropping very quickly. At 9 o'clock, we're still in the low 50s, 52 degrees. But that's really when we're going to have some heavy rain moving across our region. So yes, there are a couple of isolated showers right now. I have the radar and the wind steering current on here, so you can see that general movement from southwest to northeast across our region. This one little shower kind of moving through Sequatchie County at this point in time, and another one northern portions of Van Buren County. I'm going to pull back a little bit further because we're just now seeing the system really get going right along this low pressure line here and that front. So that heavier rain in far northwestern portions of Tennessee. This is going to continue to fuel up over the next few hours and then slowly start moving into our area, bringing us that kind of consistent rainfall. If you're heading out this afternoon, maybe have a raincoat with you just for that isolated shower. But if you're heading out tonight, you certainly are going to want to have one. Here is the timeline for the heaviest rain window for our western communities from 8 to 11 p.m. Eastern time. So that means starting up for you at 7 p.m. Central time. For the central part of the viewing area, so that's going to include Chattanooga, Cleveland, Dalton, Hickson, Red Bank, Dayton, Athens, down to Fort Payne, Summerville from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. And then for our far eastern communities from about midnight to 3 a.m. So you have longer to hold off for our far eastern communities. Let's then take a look at that with Futurecast of how that's really going to be breaking down. So for this afternoon, wind coming up from the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, those mostly cloudy skies, a stray shower chance, primarily kind of clipping our northwestern communities. But then here comes that heavier widespread rain for the evening hours. This is paused about 8 p.m. and you can see that Grundy County, Sequatchie County, Bledsoe County. It'll be heavy at times along that leading line, and in fact we might have a few rumbles of thunder as well. That rain getting to Chattanooga right about 11 p.m. if you want a window, kind of think 10 p.m. to midnight for the heaviest rain in Chattanooga. It's going to continue to push east, so hitting Dalton, Cleveland, Athens around midnight, and then continuing to push through. This is about 1:30, and then by 3 a.m. that kind of heaviest rain is out of the area. But at that point, we're going to be dealing with colder air dropping down. There's not a whole lot of moisture left, but that cold air kind of works to squeeze out what residual moisture is there. And that's when we could see early on Thursday morning, this is 7:30, some of those pink and blue colors indicating a little bit of wintry mix and snow. It's not going to be a significant event. It's not like what we had over the weekend or what we had a couple of weeks ago, but something that may cause at least a couple of slick spots on the roads for tomorrow morning. So do be aware of that, especially in the higher elevations. By about 10, 11 a.m., it's out of here. And it's just all about the cold air. It is going to get chilly tomorrow, and it is going to be chilly on Friday. So kind of mentally prepare for that. On Friday, there's going to be this big coastal system from South Georgia up through the Carolinas. We may have like a 10% chance for a couple of isolated snow flurries for our eastern mountain communities, but really that's about it. The bigger deal is the rain tonight and the colder air moving in. About a ½ inch to an inch total in rainfall. And then here's a look at potential ice. So it's very splotchy, but a little bit of that pink showing that there may be a few slick spots for tomorrow morning in the commute. Highs today, take advantage of that. Those 50s across the area, 58 in Dalton, 56 in Chattanooga, and 59 in Fort Payne. And then here are those lows tonight. The coldest air to the northwest moving in first at 25 degrees in Altamont. Looking at your 7-day forecast, notice Thursday, 38 for the high, Friday only 34, Saturday morning a low of 22.